want quickly give this message now for Rita Kokobiri and Mommy Yore, one of Paris. You know why I want to drop this video? I see a video. Somebody sent me a video when Mommy Yore do. She called, they say people call the put red for her video. I want to tell you there are some things you don't really know about Rita Kokobiri. There are some things you don't really know about her, Mommy Yore. When be say you did this social media, don't really know people. Rita a person will be say he like prognose of people life, he like find people trouble, he like insult people, but she don't want people to insult you. That is what they did last time when we say I get matter with some. They come, what call they report my video. That is what she specializes on. You supposed to know person when be say you and another worker for a little while. I'm not saying I ain't the prognose up and down. But me, you know one thing you gonna need to know about Rita is a jealousy person. You return a type of person will be say he want many better past you so that he go for saying and good in go they happy. If I do a video, first video when I do about 12 now, you hear when I talk for this, not be only you. Now you make 3 people, not be only you. Now so return go say no what you do Vera. When me Africa German last lady, African last lady get issue, now it take my life, but she don't forget how it take on to my life and take that issue. When she, because of who copy start to the door, I can't forget when the African German last lady, they saga me, they insult me. You know, this social media, they're full of doing evil. So that Rita, she good in doing evil, but she don't want you to do her back. That is the type of person she is. Something they pain her for body. Where? Now she the person be saying no, they feel the best of the, but she good at insulting and bully. But when you give her one, oh my God, she go one fight, she go one herself. That's the type of person she is. She don't want you to talk to her. She don't want you to deal with her, to give her Wortoworto. Mommy, you're not need to cry. You need to be very careful on your page. Not let them enter your page. Because I'm waiting she they do. That is what she specializes in, Monica, on this social media. One thing when you go know, when this now you should test her. So now when Monica, that's why I remember say that one good though, me and that one never a mystery. When you are, when I say Monica, what call the talk good on your matter, not cause issue, because you know say me I'm not to the get on social, but I know how everything work on this social media space. Because you know say that Monica carry mama come beat her till today we did social media. We may go anything with me rock back. You know if you do anything. So only what she specializes on, if they do enemy with this person, you see and they do enemy. If you want buy this person, join that man, but if you reach out, they not get what they do for you. So when they make the hatred worse is because you and Monica Bryson don't do the good. Monica don't the talk for your favor, or you don't the talk for Monica favor. I don't really know, but that is what I think and what is what I saw. Now, what it bring her anger most when somebody hits you. That made me after this social. Now they fear saga, now they fear what of you give me, I'll give you. But the painful part of it, you don't say no, if you handle saga, you they still get problem. Kokobiri return the motherfucker idiot. No say no go fit handle Monica Twari. She can't go the customer when this woman when the boss should go to in mama and papa house go zanzan with him and mugu goat. He not fit beat mommy love. He not fit beat Monica. They beat your mama can not fit yet their own. None of people want picture if you bring Coco yeah. He not there. So I wonder when people when they talk. Now they will go feel beat in the drag. Come on, don't say what Lolo do. Lolo beat her to infinity. Now so she they do. If she don't do fish, she go they lie. She know how to use like to do saga. That is one thing I hate about her. Rita Kokobiri master, she know how to do saga with lies. And I hear your video when you say you the shame. Whether when you are the whether when in the quarrel she the quarrel with us, whether she not the shame. Rita not the shame. Return on Bashago when you use the matter say pay madam 60,000 euro. They say nobody fishes and say now only one fishes and so that type of person I go take get shame. Rita Kokobiri no go fit get shame. And for those of now when they come my video, I beg. When return on the social media they bully me since when African German last lady because of hookup. When on the social media. You understand? You not go talk say you love me before because of my video. I beg. Come on for my pay. Say as I don't use social media monitor the eat as you can see. I be example they use social media to the feed. I be example they use social media monitor the back clothes. When you cause if you don't follow me, I say I beg. See, I don't want all those shopping in the name of and they follow you before, but this one you have to say don't enter you the Chris. Now I beg come on for my page. Me I'm not look console because you did the social media when the terror carry my matter for how many years when I'm not gonna try to do the terror. I'm not know the terror for other than African man say they enter my body. Any matter I call you go can I put for head you go use on the saga but not the social media you die. So I beg you, man, I'm down for today now. Bossing day. I use God to beg you. I use God to beg you. Please, so as I love the look good, so don't be social media, I'm not the feed. See, I beg. If you know what I'm saying on this place, you don't like it, you can go for all I can. I don't give a damn. Because when the terror go sit down, they bully people, and go do this social, I don't tell and say, it's okay, not do like that again. Una not the shame. Una when they follow the terror, if you tell the terror something they do to Yore, not good. If you're in a person will be saying, if you're the verse, will let you know, a person will be saying they put something for mind. Now, we go, just finish. But the terror is a grease make other degrees. So now the first one, I don't know the type of person when she be. But if I can't talk, I'll say, why person talk? I beg. Una not be now truth and they talk. I know they look who she face not to talk truth. You okay? When you reach their turn and truth, then they talk about it. But if you reach their turn, not be true that they talk about it. I better want to dress on the whole other side. I use God Almighty to beg you. If you are in my follower, you will not come on my comment section because they talk say, this one will talk enough because I not support Rita Kokobiri. Rita Kokobiri de Kolo. Rita Kokobiri no problem. Rita Kokobiri don't cause, don't instigate on this social media cyberspace. And we know that this social media. Okay, make a comment for the camera for Rita Abi. Rita, money, you need to run from her. You see all those your page. If you get anybody where you know say no retailer, log and ask for your page. Okay? If you know say get anybody where you relate to retailer, log and ask. Not let them know access of your page. Now people where they are around you go still use against you, they just spoil your page. Now the truth and the tell you, so people don't agree tell you the truth. Me, I like saying the truth the way it be. If you just say the way it investment, I just tell you the way it be. Me, I not get her. I not the look at your face. You got me? So if you know anybody that know retailer, block that person, remove your password, change everything about your page. So that they're not going to use that to destroy your page. They're going to use and spoil your page go die. Facebook will teach them as fake. You understand those fake are no good. So if you don't say retailer, na she. Na retailer, na she. Now so she they report people video they go. They report people page they go. Now waiting she specialize on the just use of talk. You go they instigate. And they the question. I don't get that. You know because with that white face. Senior pikin will not get shame. Senior doctor no who are retailer no good no bele more down bele for sugar for papa you dey kolo or two. Now you're not know the type of person where you be. You're not a shower. You not be a shower. No two. No bell no when you're not better person. You go for sugar for papa must pay me 4 countries. You see, I don't know why some people will be saying don't hide their face in shame. They don't go hide their face in shame. All that then when we go well, you motherfucker idiots. I pity people when they follow and I pity people when they believe you. Some of you run away from her. You say you don't know. Now she many things there when you don't know about retailer. She's a great snake other degree. She's a motherfucker human being. She's a person you can never trust. She's a person that evil full all her hands. You get me? Now when you want money, can't settle. So take it or leave it. If not, like go check her. Now when they say maybe you want money, can make up on the top of the top of Monica. Now it has some. Now so she be. You don't go fit fight for you and you say you fight for, but you not fit fight for your papa and your mama. Who you go fit fight for this social media? I'm wish you are romantic more vision one minute. Person bring papa and mama, all disgrace papa and mama. You never see doing mama and papa back. You won't see TV on the before of them. Oh man, you bow now conspiracy. Cause I shower no mama shower the go. When you pay madam 120,000 euro for if I said you pay your madam 120,000 euro.